So in my previous vlog, we landed in Rome safely and we are now on our way to our Airbnb. First impressions, I see green everywhere. I love me a place filled with green spaces, parks, trees for shades. It shows that that city nurtures. That city lets you flourish and you become prosperous in that place. And that's a very good thing. So far, Rome looks like most European cities. The bus from the airport took us to Termini, the most popular station in Rome, the convergent point for all means of transportation, except the plane and the ships, of course. The first thing we did was to purchase this 7-day Rome travel pass known as SIS. Carta Integrata Settimanale. Ooh, how is my Italian, eh? I must have pronounced that in Spanish, which means integrated weekly ticket. This gives you unlimited travels on the bus, trams, the metro, and light rail for 7 days. So for 1 week, we will not worry about paying for transportation as we get to know the city of Rome. Just hop on and hop off as we like. The card is not shareable. You can see that we bought 4. There are 4 of us. A brief tour of our Airbnb. Let's start from the kitchen. The fridge is here. Our empty fridge, a microwave, a toaster, a coffee maker, a cooker, gas cooker, tap. Under here you have beans. Here are our neighbors. It's too sunny. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. And then we have a table for 2. And then you come out, have the toilet. This video is not showing this very well. So that's the shower cubicle, the sink, complimentary bath gel and stuff. And then one of the rooms, that's the bed. Hubby is sleeping. Can see he's lying down. Ned is pressing phone. Yeah. And then the second bedroom. Yeah, with lots of cabinets, drawers. I like it. The only downside of this place is that it doesn't have AC in this summer. It has fans in the room. Another fan. The laundry room.
Look at her.
Antigua. Antigua. Everything is so antiquated.
Antiquated meaning old.
Yeah. We've had siesta anyway. Hubby and I have had siesta. These Gen Zs don't sleep. Upon say this one has been shouting, I'm tired, but
I'm tired, but I'm not sleeping.
Choose any of these.
Then that you're tired is not tireding.
Okay, Mommy, so you have to choose any of these supermarkets.
Which one?
Any of these.
Show your daddy
That's really
while I talk. It's the golden hour. So now we're going to the supermarket. to buy normal, yeah, groceries, normal stuff. We're going for maybe 1 week's worth of shopping. Though we can't carry everything. They probably buy 3 days worth of things. And they want to start cooking here, eating rice.
Where the supermarket is first.
Abi? Looks like we need to take a tram because that one we saw on the map, it's quite far, like 1 kilometer. It was showing 900 meters, so that's 1 kilometer.
So I put in location.
You know, this place kind of reminds me of Enugu. These buildings, Ogui Road or something. I don't know. You see how this place is like Imogbe. Oh dear. Imogbe libe. Barrio. In the hood. We are in the hood. Everybody can do on the panya. Imogbe. Sounding like the Godfather. I like the sound of Italian. It's like they're singing. See it here. Oh.
Wow.
Spuma di Campina, latte di mandorla bruto, de carite. Hey, hidratante. I understand this one. Hydrating. Because it looks like Spanish. But what I don't know is if it's shampoo or for the body. Bagnodocia crema. Okay, I think it's baño. It looks like baño in Spanish, so I think it's for bathing. Those who speak Italian confirm below. Next, we decided to get to know our neighborhood, so we looked up interesting places around here. We went to this park, Villa Borghese. I think it's the biggest natural park I've ever seen. Very vast and peaceful. It would be nice to have a picnic here, and we plan to do so at some point. We walked around here for a while, listening to the sound of the birds, and then caught the bus to the Olympic Stadium. Rome Olympic Stadium. The main stadium, you can see the post in the far back is out of bounds, so we'll see this mini stadium. Oh my God. This place reminds me of Okorocha's Akbolage. Akbolage eba. Wow. See Augustus Caesar and Omunye. Akbolage. The mini stadium is obviously undergoing some renovation work. I wonder what they use it for these days. From the dark walls, it looks like they were not using it that much after the Olympics. That's the thing with facilities built specifically for the Olympics. After the games, they are kind of abandoned. But I really like the statues on the perimeter. Very unique and so Roman. All the Roman naked men. We took some nice photos here and went to this kebabs place near our home. The owner is such a funny guy and the kebab was so delicious. Tomorrow, the actual fun begins. We'll be going to a very popular location in Rome.